Hello guys, welcome to exclusive course of Fundamental Analysis for Equity Investment by Intellect Penthomet. Let me start by sharing my perception few months back on stock market. So when I used to hear the terms like stock market, share market, Sensex, I simply used to connect those with loss, risk, debt, bankruptcy. Because back then I was uneducated. I didn't know how stock market works and what is stock exchange, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, ratios and how to analyze those. Education here plays the key role. People choose to lose money over inflation, but they won't educate themselves and trust on their research work and generate another source of income. Here is the module descriptor of the series. I have tried to design the series in most efficient way and create a journey that will teach you to invest over next 1 month. Starting from basics, that is, understanding what is stock market, how it works and key elements. Chapter 2 is about stock broker, where and how you can register yourself to start investing. Then comes investment psychology, so that you don't be greedy or go off the track. Other chapters will consist of qualitative and quantitative analysis. The part teaching you about ratios, analyzing balance sheet, profit and loss statement, cash flow statement, various approaches to investing, learning new theories and tons of more things. Other courses will be teaching you about basic of stock market or advance of fundamental analysis. But no other platform than IP will be giving you basic of stock market, about stock broker, registration process, investment psychology, advance of fundamental analysis, and we are posting regular updates, that is top gainers and losers, plus investment advice and strategies at our Intellect Penthomet Instagram. So guys, if you like this series, then please make sure to like, comment, share and follow Intellect Penthomet. Before going into our first video of the series, I would like to recommend you guys two things. First is, please make notes. No matter in which chapter or video you are in, make sure that you are making notes. The reason is this series contains more than 25 videos. Hence, with time you will be learning more and in depth, and in which way those notes will be helpful, even we don't know. Second is, try to draw figures. Make arrows for representing high and low. Use keywords such as return, debt, share market and many more. So now without wasting more time, let's begin with the first video of our series. Chapter 1, Introduction to Stock Market. Video 1, what is stock market and what is stock exchange? What is stock market? Stock market is the place where people, or more accurately, investors and traders come together to buy and sell the stocks. Stock market is primarily known for buying and selling of shares, commodities, currencies and bonds. Meet Mukesh. Mukesh saw big opportunity in the business of textile. On 1st January 2000, Mukesh started his business with establishing one manufacturing unit in Ahmedabad. After 1 year, his textile business has grown up to a level that he wants to expand the business and set up new manufacturing unit in Mumbai. So he goes to the bank and applies for the loan and establish a factory in Mumbai. After 1 year, his sales increased and he finds bigger opportunity in the market. So he decided to set up 8 more units all over India, launch 2 more products and start exporting his product. Now he needs more fund, and in past 2 years, Mukesh business was well appreciated and people find Mukesh as a visionary person. Because Mukesh is in need of fund, so he thought of receiving the fund from stock exchange, or let's say stock market for now. Mukesh applies for listing his business in stock market. Stock market regulator authorities visit Mukesh factory, check his bank balance and records and gives him green signal for IPO, that is initial public offering, or for now, let's say first few shares. So now Mukesh business is registered on stock exchange. Mukesh holds 60% of his company's share and rest 40% are available for the public. To understand easily, let's say Mukesh has 60 rupees funded and 40 rupees he wants other to invest in his business through stock market. Here you guys come in this scene. You guys are investors and have been following Mukesh's business for a long and finally the company is listed on the stock market. You guys are funding 5 rupees to Mukesh's business and in return you guys are the owner of the business. Yes, you heard it right, the word owner. If you are buying share of company listed on stock exchange, then you are the owner of the firm. Greater the number of shares you own, more power you get in making the decision for the business. But that's not the end. So you funded 5 rupees in the business does well again, and in return, Mukesh will give you reward for holding share in term of dividend. Dividend is when Mukesh will share his profit to the shareholders for funding and investing in his business. But if Mukesh business is making loss and is in a huge debt, then you being owner of the business, can Mukesh ask you to sell your assets to pay debt for his business? No. Here you guys are shareholders of the business. You may lose your invested amount, but no one can ask you to sell your assets. So in stock market, businessmen list their business for receiving funds. On the other hand, investor invest in the business with potential. This way funds will be received by the business, and when company does well, they share their profit to shareholders so that shareholder invest more and receive profit more. Then what is stock exchange? Stock exchange act as a platform where stock buyers connect with stock sellers. Stock can be traded in one or more exchange. In India, it's mainly NSE, that is National Stock Exchange, and BSE, that is Bombay Stock Exchange. There are businesses which are listed in NSE and BSE both, or any one. Two more important terms, Nifty 50 and BSE Sensex. Nifty 50 is a benchmark Indian stock market index that represents the weighted average of 50 of largest Indian companies listed on National Stock Exchange. Similarly, the BSE Sensex is a free float market weighted stock market index of 30 well established and financially sound companies listed on Bombay Stock Exchange. Hence, one can buy or sell the stocks at NSE or BSE. So guys, if you find this video informative, please do like, comment, share and follow Intellect Panthomath on Instagram and YouTube. Stay tuned for latest updates and more videos. Thank you.